Mr. Iron on Minecraft, and I'm here to do a video of how to make cats. I know I said I don't like making how-to videos, but now I just felt like doing one. So lots of people don't know how. 1 minute. There. Now nobody can hear me talking and everything like to my video. Like, what are you stacking to? So lots of people don't know how to make cats, but I think it's kind of easy. Here's a little cat family. That one doesn't know how to. We can use right now. So you're gonna want an ocelot or an ocelot or whatever it's called, and raw fish. It should come towards the ocelot, and it should slowly come towards you. Once it sees, look at like that, and then you just want to take it and press. However you place a block, you're gonna want to click it until it turns into a cat. Keep clicking until it turns into a cat. And if you don't want it to sit there for the rest of its life, just hit it and then do that again and then click whatever your building block is, and then it becomes happy. And then these two had a kid, so maybe these two will have a kid. They're really awesome, and I like them. And now I think I'm going to start doing how-to videos. Oh my gosh, they're getting together for a little meeting. Hi. So, yep, that's how to make cats. And I'm back in that world. You know, the one with the iron golems and stuff in that golem. And you know what? Soon, I'm not sure when, but I know 100% soon I will. Hopefully, I will find out how to get mods. Why are you biting me, man? What are you doing? Oh, yep, they all like me. And when you move, when you make them hearts, they all follow. They had another kid. Holy shit. All right. They follow. Whoa, what the hell just happened? Is that like an ender cat? Look at that one. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. So yeah, they all follow you everywhere. Would you like to eat? Mr. I think I found out what they eat. Nope, not diamond. Iron. That's how you tame them. What? Alright, it doesn't work. Do you want to be happy? No. Nobody is hungry. Oh, Jesus, there's a million villagers. He's holding a rose. Oh, dang it. Hopefully you saw him. Hi, guys. Hopefully you saw him holding the rose, because that was so cute. They always give it to village children. I don't know why. Not adults. But they're going to spawn to me. Look at that. They all run to me fast. So let me repeat what I did again. Whoa, they had kids. Hey, come here. Come here, little guy. Yeah. Come here. Whoa. Well, that's all three of the types of cats. That one, that one, that one. Those are all the types. Let's do the baby one. Hey, come here, buddy. Not sure if it works on babies, but I'll try it. Come here. Come here, I'm not going to hurt you. If you don't come here, I will. He's like, are you still there? Yep, you're still there. Better speed up. Oh, you think you're going to get away with this, huh? I just want to tame you. Oh, they all came to me. They all walk so slow. Or not. Are you guys hungry? Oh, he's hungry. Yep. Oh, you are. Did you say you are? Oh, I know you are. Nope. Come here. Come here, little guy. Awesome. There, now I can actually move. Oh, they're all coming towards me. Come on, run, run, run. He doesn't care. You don't care. Who does not want what? Ocelot doesn't like raw fish. Tell me. Tell me. What did I say? I'm gonna kill you. Nope, there he goes. Come here. Nope, there we go. No, there we go. I hit you and I make you back for love. Alright, so I know you're, nope. Are you, I bet you $1 million he is. Nope. 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 Yep. Ah, they had a kid. They had a kid, a baby. They are so cute. They are a little family. Happy and yeah. Ooh, that was cool. What are you doing? Well, that's how you make cats. I'm not going to end the video now. Seriously, I want mods. So fucking bad. Let's see what an iron golem does about this. And he doesn't care. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Please. And it doesn't work. I want this mod so bad. I will end the video now. Thanks for watching. If you know how to make, cats, then I'm not sure if you really need to like it or subscribe to my channel. Well, if you subscribe, it will help. So make a like down below. Subscribe to my channel. It'll help my channel out a lot. And see you later.